In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off safe mode in Ome Television, skip accept, reject options Ome Television. Turning off safe mode is simple, but you need to know where to look because the toggle isn't always obvious. If you are on iPhone or Android, start by opening the Ome TV app and logging into your account. Once inside, tap on the menu or profile icon, then navigate to the settings section. When you open Ome TV and go into the settings, you might have heard about a feature called Safe Mode. Many online videos mention it, but as of now, the app doesn't actually provide a Safe Mode option here. If you don't see it in your version, that's because Ome TV hasn't officially included it, or it may have been removed in recent updates. Instead, if you want to keep your experience safe, you can use the reporting and blocking tools built into the app. When safe mode is disabled, you'll have more flexibility in connecting with people without the extra restrictions that filter out certain users. On the web version, the process is similar. Sometimes users report that even after switching it off, the app still forces the accept, reject options before each chat. This is often linked to cache or cookie issues on the web version or app data conflicts on mobile. A quick fix is to clear your browser cache if you're on a computer, or to clear the Ome TV app's cache data from your phone settings if you're on Android. iPhone users can try deleting and reinstalling the app, which refreshes the settings. Another pro tip is to make sure your app is updated to the latest version, because older builds sometimes force safe mode by default. Also, if your account has been flagged before, Ome TV may automatically restrict you and re-enable safe mode. So keeping to community guidelines helps avoid forced limitations. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.